6:30 right now, and today I'm gonna have a whole house motivational clean with me. So Loki slept up at KG's parents' house last night, so I need to deep clean this house. Like, you'll see, it is a mess. Like, there is stuff everywhere. So I just started like a part-time job a little over a week ago, and it has just been crazy and things have just piled up. And then I was like, well, you know what, I think I'm just gonna do a whole clean with me over the weekend. Like, just do the whole house, the floors, like straightening, organizing, obviously the dishes. I have so much laundry upstairs in my room, it's terrible. Luckily I don't have to do Lowe's. Yeah, I have a lot that needs to get done, and I was like, you know what, whatever, I'm just gonna relax during the weekend. I'll just do it on the weekend. Usually I don't do that because then it just really piles up. There's a lot to do, but that's what we have today, so you're getting all of it. So let's get into this. I don't even know where I'm gonna start. I don't really have a game plan. I started the laundry, which is always best to start with because, you know, it takes long anyways, but maybe I'll work from the top down. I'll kind of take some of the stuff from up there, all the laundry out, and then really I can tackle the upstairs because the upstairs isn't as bad. So maybe we'll do that. Our roommate just moved out, so I'm also gonna strip the bed in here and take all of that downstairs just to give it a good wash so I can remake the bed. Okay, quick update. I just put some more laundry into the dryer and I took a new load of clean laundry upstairs. So now I'm going to tackle the kitchen. There is a lot of dishes that have to get done, and I really want to clean the countertops down just so that that's all clean, so that when I go to do the floors, I won't have to worry about anything else getting on the floors. I haven't come on and done an update in a minute. It is almost 11:30. So far the whole kitchen is clean except for the floors. So you currently saw me do back in our living room. I cleaned the whole thing, cleaned the floors, all that jazz, so it's still drying. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move everything like behind this wall. It's kind of like, it's like an in-between area. I think I wanna put my table there. I don't know, but anyway, so I'm gonna clear everything out of there so I can do the floor. So I'm gonna use my Dyson, vacuum everything up, and then I will also mop that. And then I think from there I have like 3 loads. Like I've been like continuously doing laundry this whole time. I haven't shown any of it because it's like literally it's just me putting it in and out of the laundry. Like that's just boring. So I have a huge pile. So I'll probably bring the vacuum with me upstairs as well because I won't be able to walk in this like area. I'll probably vacuum the floors and start sorting that laundry because that pile is massive. So that's where we're at. That's what I'm gonna do right now. but I did just finish mopping in here by hand. So yes, this is all done. Now I just have to wait for it to dry and push everything back, and then this whole floor will be completed. Okay, it's 4:30 now. I've been cleaning all day. I'm sure KJ will be coming home with Lo pretty soon. But yeah, that is everything. There's a couple things here and there that I probably still need to straighten up, and I might start tackling the basement until they get home. But other than that, I think I got so much done today. So I hope this is really motivational for you guys to get your house clean. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy these cleaning videos. I have a whole cleaning playlist, so I will leave that either up in the cards or down below as well. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.